Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm sharing with you how to cook this vegan recipe, which I call it cabbage with vegetables. So I hope you guys like it. Let's go right into the video. So the first ingredient is onion, and I'm gonna chop it up in small cubes. Now I'm gonna add half tablespoon of butter, or you could add any vegetable oil you like, and then we're gonna add the onion. And the second ingredient is capsicum. I'm using half a green capsicum and half red capsicum, or you could use yellow capsicum as you like. And then add 1 teaspoon of salt on onion and give it a mix. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper. Now I am adding the pepper that we chopped up, and give it a good mix, and add half teaspoon of cumin and half teaspoon coriander. The other ingredient is carrot, and you just have to shred it. We also need 1 tomato. I just like to peel it off like this and then cut it. So now I'm gonna add tomato and give it a good mix. I'm also gonna use 2 garlic cloves. And the main ingredient is cabbage, and I just have it here ready. We're gonna add it as the ingredients that we have it on the frying pan. So on this stage I'm gonna add the carrot. So I hope you guys liked the video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!